Hey there, folks. Sparrows here, coach of the New England Eeveelutions, and we are week 6 of the IBL up against the Vancouver Kyogres. And he has a very threatening team, if you couldn't tell. The first thing that the eye is drawn to is the G-Max Urshifu single strike, which might be the most busted mon I think I've ever seen in a draft league. This thing is so hard to counter. It essentially has only one way that you can Oko it, and that's hitting it with a fairy move. But your fairy move needs to be strong enough to take it out in Dynamax form, or else you're just going to pop a weakness policy, and then you're going to have him set up with a max airstream, and nothing can touch it. It is an unbeatable monster. It truly is. And because, as you can tell, I only have one fairy on my team, and that fairy's kind of teeny. We'll get into it. Yeah, this match was very, very hard for us to prep for. If that wasn't enough, he's also got Conkeldurr, which, as we know, is like always a great mon. I think it's one of my favorite mons in Draft League. It used to be underrated, but I think it's finally getting its due now in this generation. The Alola Ninetales, I don't want to deal with Aurora Veil. I don't know about you guys, but Aurora Veil is, especially with that Urshifu, I want to get rid of this. The Ninetales is coming, and I want to get rid of it as quickly as possible, without a doubt, which I'll get into my strategies for that as well. Slowbro is super tanky. Regenerator Core, respect, going out to that Slowbro. Noivern, we used Noivern in our last league, and it is super good. It's super fast. It outspeeds my Cinderace. It doesn't outspeed my Ninjask, but we're not bringing Ninjask. And then the Rotom-Mow, which I'm not too worried about. It's a possible bring, in my opinion, but I don't think we're going to see it. The Golisopod, also a really great mon, but I don't think we're going to see it because we have the Indeedee. Rhydon might come. I think Rhydon actually will come, and that thing can get pretty thick, especially with Eeveelution. Then there's the Alolan Sandslash, which I think a lot of people sleep on, and I think it's coming because we do have Hail on our team as well, and I think he won't be able to resist that. Dragloak, which I don't really know if it stacks up to its evolved form at all. I haven't battled one at all, so I don't know. I don't know if it's super thick with its Eeveelution, and if you can get like a thick Dragon Dance off, maybe. I don't know. And then his Magnezone, which Magnezone I don't think is coming, but if you haven't seen his battle from last week, his Magnezone sweep is insane. He does a body iron defense body press set that 6-0s his opponent. It's wild. I never thought a Magnezone could do it, but the Magnezone did it. So where does that leave us? So his team is very, very hard for us to build around. We have to bring a lot of non-standard sets this week. So this is what we're looking at. We're not bringing a Regen Core at all, which I think is going to possibly throw him off. I don't need it. I need to use every spot possible to sort of play around the broken Urshifu and also that Ninetales. So this is our team. I think we're probably going to see something like this. Maybe not the Conk. Conk is definitely a possibility, though. Like I said, I think he's going to 100% want to bring that Sandslash because we also have Hail on our side. But I'm not bringing Hail because he has Sandslash. I'm going to bring Weak Armor, and it's going to be a Focus Sash, Weak Armor, Vanilluxe, on the chance that he doesn't get up Rocks, which would be great. Because if he gets up Rocks, then obviously Focus Sash is going to be an issue. But I'm going to try my hardest to make sure that Rocks don't get brought. And then I'll be able to bring in the Vanilluxe against his Urshifu and at least get some damage off that way. The crazy... So I got crazy things all over. This is definitely a very, very weird team. So the Swirlix is a Psychic Seed for the Unburden boost off of the Indeedee, and its job is to come in on the Urshifu with Psychic Terrain up, hopefully before it has a chance to set up a max Airstream, and then go for a Misty Explosion, and that will be an Oko. Our cards need to align for it to happen, but This is the Swirlix time to shine, so we're gonna bring it. The Sableye we're bringing is a Sunny Day Sableye with Substitute to stall out the Urshifu if we need to stall out the Urshifu. The Cinderace is pretty standard. The Indeedee is pretty standard. The Heliolisk is non-standard. So this is a max attack Heliolisk with a Choice Scarf running the Iron Tail to hopefully get a turn 1 kill on Alolan Ninetales before Ninetales can set up the Veil. I think our Swirlix looks like a turn 1 setup for us, so hopefully he thinks he can get an easy Veil off on us and we can kill it before we have to deal with Veil, because I really don't want to deal with Veil. Yeah, very, very weird team. I'm hoping that we can surprise him and get a win that way. At the end of the day, though, I think, yeah, this is not a good matchup for us, and I wouldn't be surprised if we lose. And I hope that if we make it to finals, we don't have to battle this Urshifu again, because, man, this Urshifu is just a monster. I don't know how to handle it. With Misty Explosion Swirlix is how we handle it, apparently. So, with that rambling done, let's just get into it, guys. It's going to be a good battle. Stick around. Okay, we are in, and we actually see that he's bringing his Rotom for his Defogger and also possibly his Conkeldurr, which means webs might be an issue at some point. Good thing we're not leading it. We are still going to lead Meringue to take on that Ninetales, and now we just flip a coin, you know? We just flip a coin. No Sand Slash is actually good. Rotom's going to be a bit of an issue for our... Wow, that is kind of loud. I'm going to turn that down. Rotom, it might be an issue to outspeed, but we do have Cinderace. So let's see a Ninetales. Give me your Ninetales. Noelle, that's Ninetales. All right. 75% chance to hit. What do we think? What do we think? Going for it. Starting with a roll. Let's see if it does anything. We connect. We connect. Boom. All right. No Veil. Let's hope our luck doesn't run out there. Let's hope our luck does not run out there. Okay, I should probably write down his team members. Okay, yeah, so he's going to go straight into Urshifu. Obviously not my favorite thing in the world, but I am going to go into Gizmo here. And we're just going to try to stall him out with subs. I think we should be able to take one hit, especially if he goes first fighting move here. Okay, so he's got Urshifu left, Rotom, Slowbro, Conk. What else? He doubles. Which is his Slowbro. I wonder what his Slowbro wants to do. I wonder what his Slowbro wants to do. I could go knockoff. I think I actually want to go sub. I think he's going to want to go Toxic. It just goes Scald. Okay. I wonder if we eat that. Probably not. It probably breaks the Toxic. Okay. Well, that's good because that just means we don't have to deal with Toxic. I'm gonna go Sunny Day. See how much that spell does now. Not bad. We're gonna go knock off. Get rid of whatever is on this Slowbro. Oop, let's not lose my Kyogres. And what do we lose? Red card. Ice Beam. Ooh, crit. Crit is an issue, but that's fine. Do I want to set up webs now? I kind of do. That crit might matter. I was hoping to Moonlight up on his Slowbro. He's gonna go straight into Rotom here. Yeah. Which I'm cool with. We're just gonna see the defog. I actually think I want to go Flamethrower. Goes Will-O-Wisp. I don't care about that. So we burn his berry. I think he probably wants to go defog here. Yeah. Which is fine if we lose our... Oh, his last Pokemon's Noivern. That's good to know. Definitely want to keep that in mind. Now, I actually think I just go straight up Pyro Ball here. I don't think we activate our strats yet. Yeah, we're going to see him go into Slowbro, probably. Yeah. Okay, I want to call Cinderace versus Slowbro. I think we're good to go G-Max Darkness now. Yeah. We can pull this off. Hopefully it's enough. Up. We're gonna be parried. This is max defense, isn't it? We somehow survive. I'll take it. I'm gonna go Airstream. He's got to keep his Slowbro around. He's gotta make a swap here. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna go Fireball. Okay, so now we can at least get the webs back up on Slowbro. But we definitely threaten him right now. I wouldn't be surprised if we see Urshifu come in. Yeah. And I almost feel like we just go for Pyro Ball, so we don't pop any weakness policy shenanigans. If he goes for Airstream, we're still okay, I think. Because that should just pop our berry. Rockfall. Ooh, interesting. That's gonna probably hurt. Bunch, yeah. That's interesting. That's real interesting. Okay, I'm going to take a second. I'm going to take a second and do the calcs for this. Swirlix versus Urshifu. Gmax. Dex. Say Rock Slide. Okay. Oh wait, we're not Dynamax. We might die to one blow. I actually think this is the... I don't like this, but I think this is what we have to do. I don't mind giving up Murring here. I don't mind giving up Murring here at all. Gmax one blow, yep. Perfect. All sorts of weather this match. Okay. I really wish we had Dazzling Gleam instead of Misty Explosion right now. Because I do want those webs up. But we're just going to have to go for the the Misty explosion. He's got to swap out. Nope. Are we going to do it? Oh, man. Oh, Swirlix! Oh, Swirlix. Oh, it feels good. It feels so good. I think probably vanilla is our game plan right here. Obviously I don't like the sand. So whatever he hits us with, ooh. And maybe he doesn't bring us down the sash though. Kind of want to go Weather Ball. I think Freeze Dry still does more damage to Conk. I wish I had Web still, but yeah, getting to see Swirlix take out the Urshifu, I think, is worth it. As I said, I don't think we definitely didn't have a great matchup this battle. So Swirlix doing its job is kind of, you know, the icing on the cake for what we got. Goes Air Slash. Okay, do we take him? Do we take out his Noivern? So we take out his Noivern. Hopefully Psychic Terrain... I think Psychic Terrain's probably going to fade right now, isn't it? No, because the Sandstorm's going to fade first. So we should be able to get an explosion off on Conk. I wouldn't be surprised if he goes into Rotom. It's going to go on Conk. Okay. I think we explode on Conk. Boom! And that way he can't do anything funny. No Drain Punch. So we get one more turn of Psychic Terrain, which obviously isn't, you know, my favorite thing in the world. Because he can come in and Mach Punch us. I'm interested to see how Mach Punch does with Guts. Oh, why did that pop up? So I think even if he goes into Slowbro here, I go Expanding Force. Oh no! Okay, so we are on a showdown now because we had to recreate the last few turns of Psychic Terrain, and clearly my internet wasn't working. So we have this set so that Psychic Terrain disappears on this turn here. He's going to swap out to Slowbro. That's just his play. We've done the math, and essentially with my Life Orb damage on Hieronymus, it brings us into a 37.5% chance that we lose. So we actually do more damage than I thought on his Slowbro. So I think if we played on cartridge, we actually would have guaranteed a victory. But now we're in a potential range of Mach Punch killing, so we're gonna find out who wins here. and we survived with 5%, and we were able to take him out. Like I said, that was a 37.5% chance that we went down to Mach Punch. But we've luckily survived, and we were able to, by the skin of our teeth, take a 0-0 win against HaggBonez and the Vancouver Kyogres. Crazy match. I think one of my favorite matches I've ever had on the channel. Absolutely love this match so much. We got to see Swirlix do its thing. We got to see Vanilluxe do its thing. Eeveelution do its thing. Like, we brought just a bunch of crazy sets, and they all turned out to work. And like, nothing beats as close as you can get. Nothing beats a 1-0. Nothing beats a 0-0. Those are the matches to live for. So, am I sad that like I could have potentially had a 1-0 on them? Not really. I think this match was amazing, and I love that it came down to that. I do feel bad about dropping the Wi-Fi connection, because obviously that's a pain. But overall, man, really good match from Hag. I don't want to face this team again. As you can tell, I kind of got away with trickery in this match. But like, yeah, it really, really powerful team. He played well. We kind of played off the wall, and I think we were able to take the win. And I think this brings us to second position in our division. So, yeah, I'm feeling really good. This was a great match. Please share it. Honestly, after this, this is a post-com, obviously, but after this battle, I was living off a high. My depression went away for a day. It was amazing. I was just like, I can't believe I killed a Urshifu with a Swirlix. It felt so good. Yeah, so please share this battle. I love this battle so much. As always, my name is Sparrows, and I will see you guys next week. Take care.